Have you ever had an oil filter just in an awkward spot and you're tired of making a mess? Well, look at this tool. This works pretty well for me. I went from using about 5 shop towels every single service to using about 2. Email me if you're interested in purchasing a full video tutorial on how to do one of these services. Also, if you're having any issues with your Generac generator, yourgeneratortech@gmail.com.